Hi, this is Narayan Vasudevan signing into Trips and Tips, a platform to share my travel experiences along with some useful tips. This is our second vlog, part 2 of Monsoon Munnar tour. In part 1, we covered 4 waterfalls, Chiyapara, Valara, Kallar and Atugad, along with one cardamom plantation and Nerimangalam bridge. Before going to part 2, let me thank all our viewers and a special thanks to those who gave suggestions. Most of the suggestions are regarding narrations. We will surely try to improve step by step. So let us restart our Monsoon Munnar vlog from Atugad waterfalls where we stopped our part 1 vlog. With full of excitement, we started back from Atugad waterfalls to Munnar town. Joined back to highway NH 85 at Pallivasal itself. The scenery, visions from this route is also beyond the words. Famous for its lush green hills, tea plantations, water streams, moreover a pleasant climate. And this beauty of the Munnar is in peak during the monsoon time. Now you can see these beautiful tea plantations maintained by the current Amazing view of this tea plantations here in Munnar. Now we are in Matupatti Road, just before Photo Point.
Munnar is created by God, but is maintaining by Tata Tea. Now, this Tata Tea is known as KDHP. The Kannan Devan Hills Plantations Company Limited succeeded Tata Tea Limited on 1st April 2005. In Munnar, 7 extensive tea gardens belongs to Tata Tea, means KDHP, covering an area of 24,000 hectares, 16 tea manufacturing units, and an annual production of 22 million kilograms of tea and close to 12,000 employees. Chundavure, Gudarale, Gundumalli, Lechmi, Madupeti, Nulladanni, Nyamakad are the 7 extensive tea gardens belongs to KDHP now in Munnar.
Now we reached Photo Point. Munnar is also called as the Kashmir of South India. And Munnar is so famous for its cool climate, cool and pleasant climate. This point is famous for taking photos with excellent scenery, which itself tells world about the beauty of Munnar. Munnar is situated
600 meters, approximately 5,200 feet above the sea level.
The tea plantations itself looks like a green carpet here. All points in Munnar are competing each other in terms of beauty. See the different green colors in this video itself. We spent around 1 hour here. Don't know why, but it's very difficult to leave from here. From Photo Point, we proceeded to Matupatti Dam. Matupatti Dam is at a distance of 11 kilometers from Munnar town.
Matupatti Dam, also called as Matupatti Dam, is just 11 kilometers away from Munnar town. Matupatti Dam is a concrete gravity dam commissioned on 1953 after 4 years construction. At that time, project cost was 3,10,000 US dollar, equivalent to 2.2 crores Indian rupees. Main purpose of Matupatti Dam is hydroelectric power generation. Nowadays, lot of tourists attracted towards this Matupatti Dam for boating, horse riding, and for one small amusement park. While we travel from Matupatti Dam to Echo Point, we can see beautiful green meadows both sides of the road. Possibility to see the elephants over here is much more, and we can also see the elephants in Kundala Dam catchment area.
These meadows are the favorite places of elephants. Majority of tourists getting elephant darshan here in season time. Next is Echo Point.
Echo Point is a scenic spot on a reservoir catchment area of Matupatti Dam and is popular for its natural echo phenomenon, along with picnic site with boating. It's located 15 km away from Munnar town in Munnar Top Station Highway and is in between Matupatti and Kundala Dam. Now we are in Echo Point. Echo Point is the catchment area of Matupatti Dam. It is just 6 km away from the Matupatti Dam, and we just one sound here. We can hear the echo from the other side.
We spent half an hour in Echo Point and had a cup of tea to withstand in this cold climate.
can see lot of small shops which is selling different items like tea, snacks, ice cream, chocolates, strawberry, fancy items, hats, raincoats, jackets, toys. Everything you will get here. It's a picnic spot. Also, purchased a packet of homemade chocolates as a trip compensation to family members. Now it's 4:30 in the evening. We decided to start our return journey from Eco Point. We reached Munnar town by 5 o'clock and bought some fresh vegetables from the Munnar market. By 5:30 p.m., we started our return journey from Munnar town. Still, it was drizzling with small wind and moderate fogs. As I said earlier, favorable cold climate, lush green hills, beautiful tea plantations, small and big waterfalls, water streams. What else you need from a hill station in monsoon? Took a strong decision in mind. We'll come back again soon in Munnar with my family. For any clarifications about these places, please feel free to contact us in 70259 11199 or through mail birdsholiday@gmail.com.
So, with this, let us take a break for our monsoon Munnar vlog. As usual, requesting you to please put your suggestions as comment in YouTube. Same time, share the video to reach others. So we'll come back soon with another amazing travel vlog. Bye.